viewers. Welcome to our claim management system. This is Jamil from Deferral Institute, Deferral International Academy. So here is our login page. You can see there are two types of user can log in. One staff and here AC manager or AC coordinator or admin. All of them can log in from here. And there are another part that is for students. So student can log in from this panel. Let's see what's inside the login. So this is the email and here is the password. So let's see. Let's go and log in. Okay. So this is the dashboard of the student. You can see all the student claims have been displayed in there. When a student can log in, he can see his uh, all claims which is submitted, and look, this is the codes details of the claim, and there is the EC type, and that means which type of coincident that happens, and the submitted date, and then the status, what's the progress of the claim, and then you can go details to see the details of the claim. So here is the details. You can see the evidence as well, that, and of course user can create a new claim. So here we go. User can create a new claim. This is a student ID and the password, and the name and the email. So uh, in general he must have to select his codes first. Let's say if we select EED, and then based on his codes there is an assessment type. So for these codes there is only one assessment type. Maybe there may be multiple assessment types for different codes. Let's say ID. Here there are three types of assessment for these codes. So let's say for assessment, and here is the EC type. My For example, I have an AC for family illness, and let's see some details, and I can choose any file. For example, select an image, and then I submit the claim. I see there is an validation error that shows we need to add at least 20 character as claim details. So let's see. Yeah, we reached more than 20. So let's submit the claim. It's loading, and yeah, your claims has been successful. So a student can successfully submit his claim. That's all for student, from a student part. So any student can of course create new claims and view all his claims, and see when a student submit a claim, the ESM coordinator, he get a new claim details in his mail, so he can get notified that yeah, a student submit a new claim. So let's log out from student part and go to the AC coordinator. Okay, so this is the email for the coordinator, and here is the password. So let's go to the coordinator dashboard. Okay, so now this is the dashboard for AC coordinator. Look at the name of his name is Shiftu Sinha, the coordinator of one of the coordinator, and you can see all the claim list in there. So there are various filters, so you can see all claims, the latest, the what just submitted recently, just a minute ago. So all pending claims, and all approved claims, all overdue claims, and without evidence. So all, you can see all kind of claims by filtering from there. So let's go to the details of the claim. Yeah. So this claim just submitted few minutes ago, and a coordinator can view the evidence, and he can decide what action he can he can do. For example, he reject the claim. So with you have submitted wrong evidence. So uh, so AC coordinator decide that he should reject the claim, and so he take the action. So the student will get a mail. Look, I have the same email for the student and the coordinator for presentation advantage. So see, you have submitted wrong evidence. The student will got the mail with details. So it's a great feature, like the lifetime notifications. So, and of course, a coordinator can see all student list. I have only 3 students in my faculty, so here the list, and I can view the student details as well. So his name, his badge ID, etc., his personal information, everything. So that's all features for AC coordinator. Let's go for the AC manager. Here is the AC manager. Well, let's see what if I don't write the password and try to log in. So it says you must have to submit the password. So let's say I submit the password, and yep, the email is wrong. Okay, so we have seen that all validation has been worked perfectly. So here is the dashboard for AC manager. Cool, yeah. Uh, and admin can view some statistical report and some exceptional report as well. For example, here is the report for claims submitted by each faculty. So uh, for computer studies, most of the most of the claims has been submitted 92%, and only 8% has been submitted on business studies. So this is an claim count for different faculty in a graph chart, and here is students in each faculty. So if we see all claims, a EC manager can view all claims as well. See, here is a list. Here is all claims, but a EC manager cannot proceed any claims as it requires. So let's go to the details and see if he has the permission to. See, there is no option to take any action. So EC manager only can view the claim, but not can take any action. And he can view the student profile as well. Here is a student list. He can view the student profile. Yeah, so that's the feature for the AC manager. So let's log out and go to the admin panel. So this is the dashboard for the admin, the longest dashboard maybe. Uh, for as like the admin, as like the AC manager, he can see the exception, the reports as well. Here is the report, the graph, everything there. So he can view the claims as well. So he can view all the claims, and he cannot proceed the claims because the permission only the coordinator can proceed any claim, and he can view all student list. Here is the students, and you can see a student list, student details. So, and he has the permission to reset any password. For example, he can reset a password for a staff just by writing the staff ID and set the new password and then confirm it. For a student as well, he have the right to reset any password if anyone requires him or if he needs to. And here is the manage batches, so he can manage the all the batches, right? He can create a new batch, then set a start date and a closure date, of course. So he can select the faculty, for example, which faculty, the batch in which faculty. Let's create a new batch, for example, VIT 100. So the start date may be April, let's say May 1st, and the session will end on May 1st as well, but in 2017, not 2018. So I will create this batch will under the computer studies. So let's select a course, for example, this course, and of course the batch should have some module. Here, let's select this module, mm, select a date, select a end date. So students claim will be decided based on uh, these dates, because when a student submit a claim, he have a limitation of submission the claim. For example, this module has a closure date of 19th April, so he cannot submit a claim after 19th April. So let's say there could be multiple modules in a batch. Let's select another module and select a date, select a closure date, then create batch. So this is how an admin can create a new batch. And like batch, he can also create a module, because for a batch we can need new modules. So he can create new module by writing the name of the module, for example EWSD, and the faculty maybe this module already in the database. So now this need at least 5 characters, so EWSD 2, and select faculty business study, select course, and here's the assessment type for this module. Let's create the module and see this module is in the list. So thank you, that's all we have I have introduced with you all the features. So that's all, thank you.